removing this concrete for this customer. And they left this slab here so the concrete truck can park right there and breaks it up. It breaks it up. They'll remove that later. And it'll be fresh concrete up to that joint. So we ended up with, I guess, around 80 to 85 tons. I'll tally it up later when I do my homework. So you can see this customer. Got all this out of here. And so this driveway was in here probably 30 years, and you can see the neighbor's trees and their roots grew all in it and broke it up. Some of it was upwards of 8 inches thick to like 1.5 inches, so it wasn't very good. You can see where we made the cut a week ago. Everything came out just nice. So when they pour back to it, a nice straight line. All this was taken out. You can see just how thick that stuff was right there. So all in all, it's massive. They go all the way over there. One right here, all the way up to the building. So all